Hello everybody. Recently I recorded a 3-part series where I repaired 3 Razor electric scooters that were in various states of disrepair, where each scooter had their own unique problems to solve. On the second scooter, one of the issues that I encountered was that the drive belt would not stay on a Razor E200. I spent many hours trying to adjust the alignment of the rear wheel. However, it did not seem to matter how I aligned the rear wheel. The belt would simply still come off. For those that are interested, you can view the entire second part of the Razor Revival series by clicking the following link. However, if you want to instantly see how I eventually solved the problem, then this video jumps straight to the solution for you. So what I need to do is just get that shim off, which is holding that sprocket on. So just get the screwdriver and just see if I can put it, there it goes. Don't lose that, so I need that to get that. Alright, so how does that, so that just slides off. Wow, okay, that easy. And as you can see there, it's keyed. So I don't know why I didn't think about this earlier, but you know, my thought is, hey, just turn it around. Turn it around 180 degrees and slide it back on. Like that. So now that has got the bush on the outside. Nothing on the inside, but at the end of the day, the belt can only go over so far, and as we've seen, the belt is working its way this way anyway. So what's the worst thing that's going to happen? The belt might wear out a bit faster. Okay, got that shim back in place. Now just take the belt on. Pretty a bit tricky. No, it's fine. So now, we can see that just turning that like that, that belt is not coming off at all. So let's get this scooter flipped over and let's see if we can take it for a ride and see if the belt stays on. So as you can see, I've taken it off, I've put it back on, and I've turned it around. So I've actually got then the bush that was on the inside is now on the outside. So as you can see, this just spins now here, and that belt is just not coming off at all. As you can see, by flipping the drive sprocket 180 degrees so that the bush was on the outside, this really was a simple solution. However, this solution was not apparent to me initially, and thus why I produced this specific video. If you find this video as useful to you, I'd really appreciate your feedback, so please feel free to like it below, leave a comment and share it. In the future, I intend to produce other specific Razor how-to videos on how to fix other specific problems. So if you're interested, feel free to subscribe to my channel for new content. Finally, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this solution was actually part of a Razor Revival 3-part series where I repaired 3 Razor electric scooters that were in various states of disrepair. If you haven't yet seen this series and are interested, you can follow the following link to the Razor Revival series.